Hi guys, I am back. It has been quite a while since I last filmed a video, but we are just gonna act like nothing happened. Anyways, today I'm filming a 1-year review of my none other than my Birkin 30. I have it all packed away. Okay, so this is my very first ever Hermes bag, well, Birkin, from the store, which is my Birkin 30 in the Gris Eton in the rose gold hardware. I have it all nicely tucked away. I'm not gonna undo all this because it took me quite a bit to put it all together. As you can see, it's literally perfect condition. The leather feels amazing. There's really no corner wears at all. I'll do an up close, and I still have the stickers. So the only wear and tear that I would say that I've noticed is the feet, because as you place them down on surfaces, the stickers have come off, and also the sangles right here, they have softened up, so they're not as stiff as my Birkin 25 over here. And also because it is a bigger leather, it tends to soften up a bit. The bigger the leather, the softer, the quicker it is, I guess. Does that make sense? The leather softens up quite faster than if it was a mini, smaller bag. But other than that, honestly, it's literally pristine, perfect condition. I love it so much. The clochette is inside. That's probably what you hear inside. There is no sagging whatsoever on the base, and that could probably because as much as I love this color combination, I don't wear it at all. I've worn it the first 3 months that I've gotten it, up until the point where I got my Constance and my 25. My Constance is downstairs. But anyways, I am a small bag girl, and I just have to accept that. And yeah, I'm just a small bag girl. I love this bag. It's beautiful, but being that I have 3 kids that are younger, it's not very practical for me. It's not convenient as far as use, and yeah, that's one of the reasons why I don't really wear it as much as I would love. It's beautiful, and this is probably going to be a super short video because yeah. And then also it looks bigger on me when I don't have it tucked in like this. I like to wear it open, as you can see, like this Birkin 25. I'll show you guys. I like to have it open like this with the sides pulled out. When I wear this one and I have the sides pulled out, it looks really big on my frame. I'm only 4'11", and even though I am on the heavier 4'11", it still looks pretty big on me. So yeah, but the leather is absolutely amazing. It's perfect, like no scratches, no scuffs or marks or anything. It's literally perfect, and I love this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed my little quick review, 1-year review of this bag. Yeah, also I do wear twillies on them, so I don't really notice, and even though I do wear twillies on them, I don't notice any discoloration as far as the handles being lighter than the rest of the bag. But yeah, it's still good, beautiful, perfect. I love it. I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.